Hello, everyone. This is Steve Ofasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about tractor trailer insurance costs, how Elite Business Insurance can help you save money and cover you for all the right angles regarding your tractor trailer. Elite Business Insurance is a full-service independent agency. We offer 24/7 customer service, and we only write insurance through AM Best A-rated insurance carriers. So we always make sure we're providing you coverage through the strongest financially rated insurance carriers out there. We do specialize in the trucking industry. We specialize in business insurance, hence the name Elite Business Insurance. And in the trucking industry particularly, we make sure that you're covered for all the right angles, and we make sure you're getting the best, most competitive rate out there in order to perform your work as a trucker. So basically, depending on what sort of business you have, the price is going to be determined off of that risk. So if you're an auto hauler, if you're a dry freight hauler, if you haul refrigerated goods, if you just have a truck that you're just using for your personal use called bobtail insurance, we could write you for all of those things. If you're hauling hazardous material, if you're hauling goods for another company and you're just picking up trailers and dropping them off from state to state, if you're doing local hauling, if you're hauling sand and gravel and dirt and you're just going from a construction site to a dump site, there's many different lines of insurance that you're going to need, and the price will be affected depending on what exactly you're doing. So depending on what kind of truck if you have a bigger truck as opposed to a smaller truck, the price will be higher. If you have a smaller truck as opposed to a bigger truck, that price will be lower. If you have a good driving record as opposed to a bad driving record, that's going to impact the price. If you have multiple vehicles on the road, you can get a multi-vehicle discount. Depending on what sort of coverages you need. Usually tractor trailers will need $1 million combined single limit in coverage. And what that does is it protects you for, in the case you get into an accident and you're deemed at fault and you injure somebody, if you hurt them, or if you damage property, if you damage a car, a stop sign, a bridge, a building, a house, if you damage anything, bodily injury or property damage, $1 million combined single limit. So that means you have up to $1 million in coverage per occurrence on your auto insurance policy, and that is the standard requirement for any trucking company out there. If you're getting hired by a logistics company in order to perform work for somebody, they're going to require that you have those insurance limits. Now, depending on what you're hauling, you're going to need cargo insurance. Cargo insurance would cover the value of the goods. In the case that you have refrigerated goods and your refrigeration system goes bad and it breaks down and all the goods go bad, you're going to need coverages for that. In case you're hauling somebody else's trailer and you hook up somebody else's trailer and you drop it off and you hook up somebody else's trailer and you get into an accident, that trailer gets destroyed, you're going to need something called trailer interchange coverage, which protects you for changing trailers. Depending on what sort of business you have, you may need that coverage. If you have any sort of merchandise that you're hauling, you're going to need a basic cargo coverage to protect that merchandise in the case you get into an accident, in the case your trailer happens to light on fire, or in case somebody steals it. You need coverages for all of that. So basically, the two main important coverages for tractor trailers are going to be the commercial auto and the cargo. There's also general liability insurance, which could be required by a lot of different companies, and that basically protects you for somebody getting injured in your work area. Say you park your truck up and you lower the latch and somebody, some reason, is walking around and trips over the latch and gets hurt, that would protect you for that. Say you're unloading cargo, there's coverages for loading and unloading, so you could add that onto the policy. So there's many different options. There's also workers' comp insurance. If you have multiple drivers, if you have truckers, if somebody gets hurt and getting in and out of their truck, you want to make sure you're covered for that. So if you have a trucking company, you're usually dealing with heavy machinery, a heavy tractor, a lot of money that the tractor costs you. You want to make sure you're protecting your business the right way. So give Elite Business Insurance a chance. We offer that 24/7 customer service, and we will make sure that we provide you with the best coverage for the best price every time. We shop you around upon renewal every time without you even telling us to do so. We do our due diligence as agents to always make sure you're getting the best bang for the buck. So give us a chance. Give us a call. We will not let you down. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.